Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Now this is peak summer in Dubai. So therefore next 2 months I decided to stay in India. Once the peak summer is over, I'll be going to Dubai. So I'm taking this chance to conduct in-person workshop in Bangalore, Mumbai as well as Chennai. So you log into workshop.prsundar.com for the details, or you can see the details in the description. So this is about promotion. Now coming back to the market, who would have thought Nifty closing around 24,050? Just 3 days before, Nifty future was closer to 23,300. It is a 700-point rally in just 3 to 4 trading sessions. As I told you, a day before yesterday, the rally was led by banks. Yesterday, the rally was led by Reliance. And I told you, sooner or later, IT stocks will have to move higher. But IT stocks won't move very big. That's because, Accenture results came. It was not really very good. The worst is over, but, the future prospectus is not very good. So when Accenture, is not rallying, TCS and Infosys are not likely to rally. So because Accenture is, bellwether for Indian IT stocks. So nevertheless, the 1.5%, 2%, rally is also very, very helpful for Nifty to scale 24,000. As I told you yesterday, the broader markets were not doing very well, but one day banks, the next day Reliance, next day IT stocks, Nifty was a fantastic rally. June series ended today. In the June series, Nifty rallied more than 1,500 points. And Bank Nifty rallied nearly 4,000 points. It was a huge outperformance by banking stocks this month, led by ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. ICICI Bank for the last 6 months, it has actually given zero return. It was trading around 1,100. Now, in this last 3 days rally, it has rallied nearly 10%. I think it's more than 10% in 3 days. So this is how investments work. You may get zero return even for many years, but in few days, you will get the total return for your patience. So those who are holding ICICI Bank patiently for the last 6 months, and just in 3 days, you got the return for 1 year return. So investment is totally different. I'm not a good investor. I'm a good trader. So now the question is, banks rallied, Reliance rallied, IT stocks rallied, what next? Nifty rallied more than 1,500 points in June series. When was the last time Nifty rallied more than 1,500 points? It was in November 23. Why November 23? So that is when BJP won 3 key state elections. And now why this June BJP won the parliament elections? BJP or NDA, whatever it is. So November 2023, Nifty rallied 1,500 points. June 24, also Nifty rallied 1,500 point plus. But what happened in December 2023? After rallying 1,500 point in November, Nifty rallied another 1,500 point in December. But now, July series, will Nifty rally another 1,500 point? Who knows? It can happen. Right? If not 25,500, Nifty has the potential to go to 25,000. And because, BJP has come to the power third time, and this is the third honeymoon. So sometime a honeymoon period will be too enjoyable. So the real life begins after the honeymoon period. So July is still an honeymoon period, and the main event during the honeymoon period is the budget, and anything can happen. So there are some negative thoughts about the budget. So I will plan to come out with a separate video, but If they choose to give a very positive budget, market can rally further. And if not to the extent of December 23 rally, but even at least half of that rally also, our market is going to be significantly higher. So do not short the market, right? So that is the lesson. And the series ended, so there is no point in talking about open interest, this and that. Let the open interest being built up tomorrow or Monday, then we will study about the July series, right? And today morning I said Nifty is likely to expire between 23,725 and 24,75. That's because based on the 23,800 PE and 24,000 CE. But today, the whole day, Nifty traded in that range. The profit was little, but still okay. But in this kind of high volatile, making profit is already something good. And in fact, after so many months, June month has gone very, very well for option writers, especially for positional option writers. At the same time, the people who have shorted, they are struggling. I think I also have a Bank Nifty 50,000 short straddle for July series, and I'm really struggling. So we will see tomorrow morning. So with a new mindset, but usual data like manufacturing PMI data, services PMI data, monthly auto sales data, consumer inflation data, those things will start kicking in from tomorrow. And US markets GDP data, personal consumption expenditure data tomorrow. Then there the usual data like monthly jobs report and this and that. So for next 1 or 2 weeks will be data driven, followed by corporate results. So anyway, those things we will discuss tomorrow. So today is the time to unwind after such a hectic expiry day trade today. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.